Alright, so I want to demonstrate a new tire lifting system we've done here. These are for ATV tires. What we've done is focus on how to grip the tires. So we did slip rings on here so the tire can't slip out. You can see that this will rotate. So I'm going to go ahead and lower onto the tire in a horizontal fashion. Clamp. I'm going to go ahead and lift up. My controls are on the side. We're simulating a different style pinion, but you can see it can be one-handed control. I can swivel this about. So now I need to mount the tire to the vehicle. So I'm going to release my trigger on the back side, grab my handle here, and rotate to vertical. I'll release that. I'm locked into place. Now I can actually manipulate the tire from side to side to line up my lugs. I also have enough room to put my hands in to start the lugs if I need to. So I'll go ahead and simulate going up to the vehicle. And I'm on the lugs, just like that. I can come off if I need to. Bring it off the lugs. Rotate the tire back. Set back down on the dunning if needed. And you can see I can do this while standing up. I don't need to bend over. I can do it one-handed, set it down, and move on to my next task.